Hello everyone, my name is Jeff and I am from the Stream Machines YouTube channel where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. In my last video, I tried to do a great job of introducing those who watch to the ATVstore.app. This is one of the most affluent library management systems where you can share your photos, your device applications, utility applications with so much ease of use. Today, I just want to log into the dashboard and go over some of the foundational strengths of this, and then we'll transition to show you what it looks like on a device of mine. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and log in and hit sign in. Once you have an account, it's easy to go to the user guide and learn how to do everything you need to do on this device, not on this device, but on this platform. It shows you how to not only create or not create, but get your own applications, create your own stores or libraries, depending on what applications they are. Some might be photographs, some might be games, whatever you have on here. You can do that by learning how to use the user guide. So you have a dashboard. I probably blotted out my pen, but it has 14 total apps and 13 downloads. You'll also see that they have a Telegram group where you can join their free Telegram, and you'll see my recent apps that were added to my store or whatnot, or to my library. The next thing I want to do is just go to categories. As you can see, I created some categories, 3 of them: utilities, on-demand streaming, and sports. You'll notice that I have the majority of the things in utilities. Pins are depending on what level you have. I am a diamond level. Everything, and by the way, everything is free right now. I had a couple of people ask me, is it free or do we have to pay? Right now it's free. So I would definitely go into the free part before, or if they even make a change. They may not make a change. So why don't you just try it out like I did and see for yourself? So I have my own pen and everything, and I can manage the applications that I want by pressing this button here. And you'll see all of the applications that I have there. Now, there are 2 things that make this a very powerful bridge for the consumer, for those who resell different devices or other things like that. There is the ATVstore companion, in which that's what you give your clients. They can either download the APK file directly, or they can use the downloader app code to get it installed on any Android type of TV. All right. So you have the dashboard, you have the applications, you have the categories, and you need the ATVstore companion. So if you're giving it to, say, let's say you sell media devices, then you give it to a customer, then you're going to be able to see for yourself, when you give them over the passcode, they should be able to get the applications from maybe your TV, maybe your Android device, maybe your library over to their device. So it just makes it out really, really easy across the board. All right. So this is the ATVstore dashboard and application where you can go in to their website once you have an account and begin to utilize all of the features that are available to you while you do it. One of the other things I love a lot is there's a blog here that they put here on how to sideload apps on Android TV with the ATVstore.app. Why app developers need to choose ATVstore for their Android TV. Best Android TV apps for streaming and cord cutting. They have a lot, maybe not a lot, but they just have some great information about this great genre of streaming. And I think it's really good across the board when you have this type of information. So it's easy to get. You can get it on your own. It's absolutely free. In the next part of the video, I'm going to boot up a device that has it on there so you can see what it looks like for yourself. And then that way, in my third video, I will show you how easy it is to install on another device by using the passcode that's created for you. So let's get to the next part. Okay, guys, I want to spend a little bit of time, just not a lot. For those that have never streamed before, this is a library of applications that were shared to me that I actually found on my own, and I share with those who are just getting started in using their media devices. Okay. I'm a big proponent or person that likes using utilities over any other type of application, because if you don't have good utilities, your device is not going to run at an optimal level. As you can see, the ATVstore allows you to create categories on the left. You can install as many applications as you'd like, as long as you can categorize them on their dashboard on the website. It is linked to the pin that was given to you or that was created for you. So I'm into utility. So if I go back over to the Fast Task Killer and I press OK, hopefully if everything works out, it'll ask me, do I want to install this app? If I click on install, we'll let it, this is something that clears all the tasks, all the things in the background so your box doesn't buffer. Okay, I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to hit the home button really fast so I can go to the home page. As I push up and over to the app section, I can go all the way to the end and see the Fast Task Killer. And if you've never used it, you press OK. And it cleared all the memory release right there, just all by itself. No need to open, no fuss, no buff, no nothing. I also installed in my last video this Virus Total Mobile. This is a great app to check for different, different viruses on the box. So if you click on that, you can begin to just use it. And that's not what the video is for. I'm going to exit one more time. So we are back at the home page. And again, the ATVstore is very clean, very concise all the way down from VLC Player. We have something called Buffering Tips 101 that we share with our customers, because the biggest thing people cry about is buffering. So if you don't know how to stop buffering, you're going to say streaming is all bad, and it's really not. But basically, this is how this works on a device. So I wanted to share that with you, and hopefully it'll give you an idea of what's coming in the next video. So in the next video, what we're going to do is I'm going to take an Android 7 device from Formula, and I'm going to install the companion app by using the downloader code or the browser on the device. And from there, I'm going to use the pen that was given to me so you can see how it goes from one location to the device in a seamless fashion. All right. If you guys have any questions, you can visit the website there. There's a blog there. I say sign up for free while it is and take advantage of being one of the best. As many customers or people that are interested, they're going to keep it free. I don't know what a charge is, but I know there's different levels of pins, and I will go over that as well in the next video. With that said, have a great weekend. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.